Yeah, I'm just out here on this catwalk here trying to, I don't know, enjoy a little nature. But the thing about nature, like in the city area, is just, it smells like pollution, man, you know? I mean, I came out here to just kind of, I don't know. The point is, it all smells like pollution. You look down into the water, you see like oil spills and trash and just kind of takes the ambiance out of it, you know what I'm saying? And everything is polluted. But nonetheless, I still try to get out, walk. I don't know if it's my age or what. I mean, I'm in shape, but it's like I'm not getting in better shape, you know? Maybe that's just an age thing, I don't know. But nature always finds a way. I look down into the water here, and like, see these oil spills? I don't know if you can see them. Oh, big old oil spills. But there's still like fish down there, crabs, whatever. So nature always finds a way in spite of man, or despite man, or in spite of man. Nature will always find a way. Anyhow, that concludes this little chit chat.